Hey all, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss creating a simple Python project, personal finance tracker project. This is actually just a command line project to track our personal finance. So let's run the script. What will happen? You see, here's the code, and it asks for three choices: personal finance tracker, add income, add expense, view summary, set budget, and exit. So first we have to set income, add income. It will ask for amount, sales. That is, we have to say description. You have to give sales, product sales, or something you can give. So we added that financial information. Let's see the view. View we have given three view summary. So you can see here financial summary, total income, total expense, and balance. So what we added is $100. That's income, and we didn't add any expenses. So expenses not there. So this is the output of our project. Let's go through the codes. What's happening? This is the ended code. So here we have automatically calling the main function. Then we have to define main function. Inside that, we have to specify a static file, finance data.json, and this is actually finance tracker with that path we are in. This is actually a class. Here we have defined a class called finance tracker. Inside the class, all the main functions are there. Inside init, whenever the class's object is created, it automatically call and it will set cell file path and the transaction list to empty array. So it's an empty list. And another function is load transaction, save transaction, and add transaction. Load transaction means, of course, the saved data will be loaded. We have that file, JSON file, it will open, and inside the list, we'll fill the data, whatever the data in the JSON, it will fill. If that file is empty, we'll assign it as an empty list. So save transaction means that file open for writing, and we will add that value in the JSON. So that's done here. Then add transaction means we are setting that whatever the amount, category, timestamp, automatically we are initializing that static value, whatever the current value it automatically get, and we assign a variable and we pass that amount, and category description is coming from as an argument. So whenever this calling, we have to pass that argument. That save transaction, it will go save, and each transaction will be inside the list will be added to that JSON file. And then success added successfully, so we got that message. View means you have to fetch the table with amount alone. You have to add the sum of the amount, and if any expansion is there, we will get that expansion expenses and we'll add balance equal total income plus total expense. Why we are adding is we are in this case we are setting s minus value. That's why we can see here if it is amount means we'll adding minus symbol in front of that. Whenever calling the data transaction, we are giving amount. So this is the first case. We'll ask for all this option. One is you'll add income, add expense, two is equal to add expense, three is view summary, and fourth is set budget, fifth is exist. So if it is one means it is add income. So it will ask for the income amount, income category, and income description. So that we already saw that.